pwede ako matulog dito. Pwede ako matulog dyan sa rug na yan eh. Sobrang saya ko. Pwede ka akong humilata dito sa banyo ko. You know? What's up guys, it's Nick, and today as you can see we're kind of in a different setup because coming from my previous video I wanted to show you guys more into like how I'm dealing with being a solo person living in a condo. Today is perfect timing because kakagawa lang ng makeover ko for my bathroom and I'm super happy with how it has turned out. Oh my god, am I having like a total sweaty situation? Okay, don't mind that. This is, I'd say, like a DIY type of situation. Like I didn't hire like an interior designer or, you know, a contractor to fix my bathroom. So it's just more of my inspiration from Pinterest, and I'm going to just like bring it to my bathroom. That's something I never thought I'd say, but let's do it. Okay, so getting into my bathroom. So I'm super happy. Basically it's like a tropical, summery, vibrant theme. My favorite centerpiece of this whole bathroom is, we can just get into it, which is this wall over here. This used to be like an ugly wall because we had a mirror before, but the problem was it got stains on it because apparently there was just like some leaking at the top and it would just make some ugly mold. So parang ang dumi lang talaga ng itsura tingnan. It just took some time because mahirap pagbasag ng mirror, guys. So medyo delikado siya actually, and nagkaroon ako ng sugat because of like all that mirror stuff. But anyway, I'm happy with how this has turned out. My inspiration for this is just get into that Pinterest life. What I wanted to have is just like a really nice vibrant paint as an accent wall for my whole bathroom. Actually got this specific paint color. I got it mixed from Ace Hardware. For the paintings, I have all of this is from SM. I love SM. I enjoy going to SM because of all of the decors that they have, and I super love how I was able to put these paintings together. I feel like it just made like that vibe that I want, and every time I go in here I'm like, yes, every day is a gift, which definitely every day is something that you should be thankful for. So there, and then let's go to the left side of the bathroom. You'll see here that I have my very cute snake plant. So this is kindly sponsored by my mom. We had an inspiration to have a nice plant here at the corner of my toilet. It's something that would go well with the accent wall as well. Also, what I like the most about the plant is you only have to water it once a week, so very, you know, unlikely for it to die. But if it does die, I'm a very bad owner, and hopefully it doesn't die on me. And I really like how it sits there at the side of the toilet. So happy how clean and nice it looks. Like, you know, like when you pee, sometimes you want a good view. So I really like how that turned out. And then my toilet, obviously, and you know, bidet is life. And over here is my dreams come to life, which is a stainless trash can. For the longest time, I've been wanting to really invest in a good stainless trash can. I know inside it's just trash, but then for some reason it just looks nice, and it looks cleaner when your trash can just looks nice. I know, like, but I want. And I've been wanting to have it, and my trash can dreams have finally come true. Over here is, I have my sink. When I was living with my sister also liked black, and so I had these for quite some time. So these are from Umbra. Over here is, I super love this. This used to be like super frustratingly pangit. Okay? Parang ang gulo-gulo niya tingnan before. And so when I was looking for a way to organize this, I said I don't want to buy another like this because it's gonna be, you know, more expensive. So what we found was that just buying these very nice black containers, as you can see here, which are also from SM, obviously, it just really fits all of my important bathroom stuff, like, you know, tissue, wet wipes, and napkins that every girl needs, and some of my restocks here, like, or extra cleansers, makeup removers. And then here is just a very cute decor that I put on top because it just makes everything look nicer, to be honest. So I have here this candle because basically kapag ka, you know, mabaho, because, you know, it's a bathroom and, you know, things shit happens in the bathroom. So sometimes I would need to light a candle. And then here is a fake plant. Ties everything together in this corner really nicely. When you go up, I just have here my hand towel, which, you know, I have really thought of that needs to go well with everything that is black. So as you can see here, that's just how everything ties together in this area. And I just really like how it's turned out because it's very cohesive, it's very neat, very organized. And then here you can see I have my mirror, which is just a standard mirror, somehow with a green tint, which goes well with the whole theme as well. Like, that's my sink. And hi, this is where I brush my teeth, you know, all that important stuff that you need to do in the bathroom. And then when you go here to your right is just my shelf area that I need to like wash my face, moisturize, skincare routine. And then I also specifically like how I was able to find these containers from SM. So I like that you can see them so that it's clear like how many you have left. I have here like some cute plants just to make sure everything ties together with the whole theme. And again, these are from SM. This shelf I bought from Ace Hardware, and with this one it's just stainless, so you just have to wipe things down when it gets wet. And I sneakily like hide some of my hair ties over here because I don't want hair ties being everywhere, thrown everywhere. So it just reminds me that, girl, nandito lahat ng my hair ties mo, wag mo wawalain. So basically this is the left corner of my banyo. Here is my amazing, beautiful carpet that I use for the bathroom. This used to be in my living room, but then when I put it here, it makes so much sense because I hate it when the bathroom gets wet and then yung basa niya will get transferred. I want to maintain the cleanliness here by having this carpet, so it helps in, you know, soaking up any wetness that would reach the floor. Not only does it look nice, but it also serves the purpose of making sure everything's clean, the floor is clean. Then we just turn to the right, so this is my shower area. And the thing is, I really intended the shower curtain to be black. The shower curtain really adds to the whole theme also. Specific details that I wanted to add is like, look at these shower rings that actually took me some time to find. I wanted to get dark green shower holders for my shower curtain so that it will go well with, you know, the green palette, tropical vibes in my accent wall. So I feel like it really ties everything well together. So anyway, so when you open the shower area, you can see here this stainless holder for all of my toiletries that I need when I go to bathrooms. I also bought this one in Ace Hardware. So I like that it is stainless because it gets wet. So you don't want it to look yung nangangalawang siya through time. So I feel like this really is a good buy. I mean, it's more expensive than not the stainless one, but you know, you need that in your bathroom so that everything looks clean and polished. Yeah, this one, I really have to make sure that it's always closed because it just looks nicer. It's closed and the dirt from, you know, stuff happening in the bathroom doesn't get into your shower curtain. So yeah, here is, so like when you're sitting in the toilet, so we're sitting on the toilet over here, this is your view. So here is, I have this nice hook over here that I hang this nice customized eco bag that was given to me as a gift. It's just a nice eco bag that I can just immediately get when I need to like go to the groceries or the gym. Okay, and then here is, on this left side is a container again from SM with all of my toiletries, you know, the important stuff like napkin, cotton pad, extra stocks of body wash, you know, shampoo, toothbrush. For me, it just nicely puts everything there rather than it's scattered everywhere in this area. So this one just keeps everything contained and neat. And I also know what are the things inside here. It's just nicely tucked in there. I'll try to squeeze in over here. I have my toiletry bag over here that I can immediately just get when I need to sleep over or go somewhere out of town, things like that. And then here are just like extra rugs that I may need. And then over here, so this is the not so nice, but then I still try to keep it neat. Basically, this whole brown thing is a shoe rack. We have here, you know, mop, walis, and I have a mat there if I want to work out. Here is, I have a laundry basket that is matching with that organizer. So what's nice with SM is that they have a lot of things that are just really matching with each other. And if you must know, over here is just a towel rack. So if you're curious where I put my towels and things like that, so this is my body towel when I go out of the shower. Yeah, that's basically it for my bathroom. I feel like I was able to really maximize the areas, and I feel like, alam mo, parang pwede ako matulog dito. Pwede ako matulog dyan sa rag na yan eh. Sobrang saya ko. Pwede ka akong humilata dito sa banyo ko, you know? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this type of video content, and I look forward to make more for you guys. And do let me know if you like these types of videos or if you have any requests, and I'd be happy to do more of those for the next upcoming videos. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!